In calculating ratios, as it's related to cross product, what you do is you multiply the two numbers you have and divide it by the remaining one. So in a loaf of bread that has 5 cups of flour and 2 cups of water versus 11 cups of flour and 4.5 cups of water, I want to find out which loaf has the higher ratio of flour. To do that, I make sure my likes line up. My flour, which is 5 cups and 11 cups, are on top in this case. And the water is going to be down below, 2 cups in this case. But what I want to find out is an equal equivalent to 5 cups of flour, 2 cups of water, so I can compare them. So what I do is first I cross multiply 2 times 11, gives you 22. And I divide it by 5, which gives you 4.4. And I can determine which one has the most water or the most flour by comparing the 4.4 in opposed to 4.5.